senior leaders and junior leaders, welcome to this meeting.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sandy.
We all know that the unity of Africa is overdue.
Yes.
And therefore, we need to wake up from the dream of a united Africa.
Yes.
And make it a reality.
Yes, we do.
You see, that is true. We need to make the dream of Muammar Gaddafi.
Yes, Gaddafi.
God rest his soul come true.
Yeah. Thank you very much, my brothers. I suggest Nairobi as the capital city of the United Africa. Ama namna gani?
And why Nairobi and not Harare?
No. Everybody knows Nairobi is the heart of Africa.
Nairobi is not even the foot of Africa.
My friend, we cannot have a capital city where there are protests every other time. Deal with your problems first.
So where do you want it to be?
I suggest Kigali.
Kigali tena?
Yeah, Kigali being the fastest growing town in Africa will serve well as the capital city. What do you think, Uhuru?
Ni swali nzuri bwana Uhuru.
Mr. Padlock, when you are addressing us, don't forget our titles.
Yes.
Sasa hadi
He's not just here as Uhuru, he's president. So say Mr. President Uhuru.
Na ndugu zangu, tukizingatia hadhi tulizojitwika hatutokwenda popote.
Yeah.
Ni vizuri rasilimali za umma zibanwe na matumizi yake. Hata haya maji yangetumika katika mikutano mingine itakayofuata hii. Ukweli usemwe. Just a minute, Chairman. What if Zimbabwe wants to exit? What would be the exit formula?
Okay, sasa hii ni upuzi jameni.
Sasa hatujaanza unaanza kutoka. Wewe lala na urudi ulale. Can you talk in English?
We cannot talk of exit when we have not even confirmed our unity. It's like buying diapers before you make your wife pregnant.
Na haiwezekani.
Where were we?
We had confirmed Kigali as the capital city. I think the next question is who will be the head of the USA?
There is that ballot box over there.
Yes.
Where we will go and vote, decide on who among us becomes president.
Yes, let's vote.
Yes.
Pige kura.
Fanya hivyo. Hii naona wazo nzuri hapo. Mheshimiwa Rais.
Now you've finished this process.
Tupe matokeo.
Has been free and fair, because you know you Africans. When you hear elections, you become crazy.
Si kweli.
So this is the results. Listen carefully. These are the results.
Tuko masikio.
President Uhuru has 3 votes.
Only 3.
Robert Bob Mugabe has 3.
Taratibu hapa.
John Pombe Joseph Magufuli has 1.
Ona kidogo, naona ni kama hebu uzihesabu tena. Unaweza kurudia hiyo hesabu.
Listen, I have not finished the tally. Kagame has 2 and Yoweri Kaguta Museveni has 6. So you see, I am the winner.
No, come on guys, how can you get 6 votes out of 5? Hii ni rigging jamani.
Ikakuaje kula zilizowekwa zimepita wingi wa sisi? Tuko watano, kula zimepita 5.
Go to your Supreme Court and challenge the results. You can't challenge this one here.
No, chairman, angalia hii ni rigging jamani. Unaiba kura jamani.
You want to measure yourself against me.
Continue.